Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to use before and after scan on Instagram. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open your Instagram app and tap on your story and select camera. Now select any effect from this list and tap on this option and scroll up and tap on browse effect gallery and tap on the search icon to the right hand corner of the screen and type here before and after, and now you can select any before and after effect from this list. So I'm going to select in this second one. And to use the effect in future, you can tap on this icon, and to try the effect, tap on try it, and here you can see the effect is working properly. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.